Take these push pins out. There's 3 on each side. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. You can grab this panel and just fold it like this. Take these screws out. There's 4 of them. Use a T20 socket. From underneath, you have 2 screws on each side. Use a 7mm socket, take those out. On the side here, take these push pins out, just use a trim tool. Pop that out. There's probably one down there as well. This vehicle doesn't have it. And then take these screws out. Use a T20 socket. Take both of those out. Slide back. And through this area right here, use a 7mm socket. Take the screw out here. Then you can grab the bumper. Use a little bit of force. Just pop it out, just like that. You want to do the same on the other side. And just grab the bumper and just slide it off. Now I'm going to take this piece off because it's in the way a little bit right here. Loosen this up. There is a square drive right there. If it doesn't come out this easily, you can use a square drive, or a small screwdriver should work. Push those clips in. Should be able to slide this up. And slide that out of the way. On both sides, take these retainers off. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Twist them off a little bit. You can just pry them off like that. Do the same on this one. Now just putting a little bit of pressure and taking a pick and going around. There's some clips that are holding this on. Try to release the clips as you push this down a little bit. And the grill slides right out. I'll slide the grill through from the front side. And just line the clips up. Take the retainers, slide those in position. You can take a 10mm socket and push it down. It should stay on there. Do the same with the other ones. Now I'll slide this foam piece in position. Lock it down. Bend this tab back. And take that bolt, screw it down. You can just screw it down with your hand. You don't need an actual tool. All right, line the bumper up on both sides. Just line these up. Take the 7mm screw, line this up, snug that down, and line this up. You can put the push pin in. If you had one down below, put that one in as well. Put these screws in. Tighten these down on both sides. Underneath, get these 2 screws started on both sides. Tighten them down. Put these bolts in. And tighten them down. Slide this panel back in place. And put the push pins in, lock them down. Do the same on this side.